Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'll show you how to add accessories to LV components. The single line diagram here is the one we've worked on before. Today, we'll focus just on accessories for LV components. Let's start with the ACB. You'll see the parameters on the right side, and at the bottom, you'll find accessories. Click on Accessories. The auxiliary signal and trip signal are already included, so you can't add them here. But you can add the key lock or the motor operator. When you add an accessory, it will show up on the single line diagram. You can also add the shunt trip and the undervoltage release. When you add these, they will show up on the drawing. These accessories will be included in the bill of materials, but you should still check the bill of material because electrical accessories come in different voltages. Make sure you pick the right voltage for your accessory. Now let's look at the molded case circuit breaker. For molded case circuit breakers, no accessories are included by default. You can add any accessories you need. And once you do, they will appear on the single line. In today's example, I updated the single line drawing to include a switch disconnector and a switch fuse to show that you can add accessories as needed. Now let's look at the switch disconnector. In the OT switch disconnector, accessories are also available. You can add auxiliary signal contacts, handles, and key lock, and they will show up here. For the OS switch fuse, click on it to view the available accessories and add the necessary items. That's all I wanted to share today. For any other circuit breaker, adding accessories works the same way. Just click on the accessories you want to add. Remember, as I said earlier, electrical accessories come in different voltages. You still need to check the bill of materials, since all accessories will be listed there. Be sure to check the materials and note the voltages you need for each electrical accessory. That's all for today. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and join us for future videos where we'll look at other devices and parameters. Have a good day.